Good morning. It is freaking cold up here. It's cold. I just had to buy a toque because I can't find mine anywhere. I don't know where they're packed. But it's a Lake Superior one, which is awesome because I freaking love this park. But yeah, it's actually pretty cold. I can't find my socks and I can't find my toques. And I don't have a coat. It's up in the roof bag somewhere. But part of me doesn't really want to take it apart, but if it's cold here up north, it's gonna be freezing in BC. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to the trails. It's day 2 of driving across Canada to get to McBride, BC. Man, the leaves have changed so much up here in Sault Ste. Marie. It looks incredible. We're heading to Lake Superior today, and if any of you watched my other videos, you know how much I love this newfound campground. It is amazing. And if it's gonna look like this in there, it might be hard for me to keep going. We are going to Thunder Bay today. Oh, we have a sign coming up, and it is about to tell us how far away Thunder Bay is going to be. It is 690 kilometers away. Man, Wawa is 212. I thought it was closer than that. All right, so we got about 7.5 hours to go. Who would have thought we would have been here in the fall? It is so pretty. I don't know if you can see the colors very well, but man, it is just breathtaking here. Like, I almost want to say it's better than what the peak week I had in Algonquin Park. It's that good. That's pretty big because Algonquin Park is like my favorite. But I don't know. This might be my new favorite Ontario park. I don't know. They're all so awesome. They're all so awesome. So, there's a bit of an issue. We're getting dangerously close to being low on gas. The last place I stopped at, the lady told me that their pumps just randomly stopped working. So she's like, you'll have to go to the next stop, which was like a 20-something minute drive away, which is on the way, so it's fine. But I get there, they took their gas things out like 4 years ago, the lady told me. She said the next stop is about 30 minutes away. Like, I'm not in the red, but like it's getting close. It was super hilly, and since my car is so full, like it's using more gas. So now we gotta freaking hope that we make it to the next gas station. So my heart rate kind of increased because yeah, what the hell? The last place I stopped at when we got A&W, I had like half tank, and I know I was like making it my goal to put gas in every like half tank just to make sure I wouldn't run into the problems. But I was so focused on getting food because I was so hungry that we just like drove away, and then I was like halfway back and I was like, fuck, I'm gonna need gas soon. I don't actually know where the gas station is. So then when I put it in Google, it was like close enough. So I was like, oh, okay, we'll just get gas there. It'll be fine. Yeah, it's fine if the gas station has gas. It didn't have gas. So friggin' pray for us. We're going up into the hills again with like less than a quarter tank of gas, hoping to get to the next gas station. Ooh, the gas light just went on. Where is this gas station?